everyone was asking me like, oh, is it okay? It's so dangerous. Like, are you okay? Like, why?
The following neighborhood has an extraordinary image in Korea. I'm talking about Daerim-dong. Before exploring the neighborhood, I asked my subscribers to tell me everything they knew about Daerim-dong. These were the shocking reactions. This is what I mean by a unique image.
Here we are in Daerim-dong, the unofficial Chinatown of Korea. And today we have a special guest,
Hi.
Mia.
Well, somebody's looking forward to the video. Yes, I appreciate
From
it.
France, and she lives in this neighborhood. And she's a PD in Korea. That's correct, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
How long have you been living here in this neighborhood?
It's going to be 1 year.
1 year now?
Yeah, almost 1 year.
여기 무섭다고 많이 들었는데 대림동 무섭다고 많이 들었는데 어때요? 여기 살기 어때요? 어때요? 괜찮아요? 어때요? 살기 어때요? 어때요? 여기 살기 어때요?
My name is Bart, and this is my adventure to explore all the neighborhoods in Seoul one by one. So today it's Daerim-dong's turn. To get here, take line 2 to Daerim Station or Guro Digital Complex Station. And voila, the adventure can begin.
How do you like it so far?
Honestly, I really like it. I really like this neighborhood. I know that a lot of people don't really like it, but I find it very, I don't know, like full of life, and I like the atmosphere, and I like going out here and having a coffee or having a beer. Like, very fun.
I mean, the easy things you notice here, right, is the Chinese characters on every shop.
Yes.
Can you read it?
No?
No? But luckily they also still have the hangul everywhere.
You won't see me exploring a neighborhood without my coffee. And thank Daerim, for Mia is the same. Let's get some useless coffee first.
안녕하세요. 왜 대림동 시작하고 싶었어요?
집이 가까워.
아, 집이 가까워요? 아, 대림동에서 오래 살고 있어요?
여기서 거의 태어났죠.
So we got our coffee, now we're ready to see the neighborhood. So far, the first impression is really cool. I see a lot of these. Do you know the name of the fruit?
Is it gum?
Gum, right?
Yeah, that's
It's gum. You see a lot of gum trees here,
Yeah, a lot.
just in the streets.
A lot. There's a lot.
That's so cool.
I love gum.
In the Netherlands, everyone would pick them, even if it's not their tree.
Yeah, in France too, don't worry.
It's one of my favorite fruits.
Me too.
I love it so much.
Me too.
It's very exotic to me because we don't have it in the Netherlands.
Yeah,
But the sweetness and the softness.
I love it. And they're so different, so many different ones.
Hey, but this neighborhood is awesome. I like the houses.
Yeah, I really like it too.
안녕하세요. 여기 사세요? 이거 한 가족이에요?
아니에요.
아니요?
스위 사는 사람들 있어요.
아, 그래요? 너무 예뻐요.
아, 감사합니다.
네. Sometimes I think people are more afraid of me than the locals, like the suddenly tall, bald guy asking weird questions in the neighborhood with a camera.
Honestly, it could be.
What the fuck is this dude doing here?
Daerim can be divided into mini-dongs, 1, 2 and 3. We will start in Idong, south of this road.
So in the Netherlands we have a word, it's called gezellig.
Okay.
Best translated to cozy or warm. And only Dutch people know when it's gezellig. But I would say, if I see this, that's gezellig.
The first time that I moved here, I actually had no idea about this neighborhood. Like, I never heard of it. So I just moved here like, oh, new neighborhood, nice. The reaction of people was so confusing for me because everyone was asking me like, oh, is it okay? It's so dangerous. Like, are you okay? Like, why? Why are you going there? Like, it's awful. Like, don't go there. And
That's
for me, it's not it's not dangerous neighborhood. Of course, it's my perspective, but I never felt unsafe in Daerim-dong. Even at night and when I go in a restaurant.
you walk around
with a coffee,
alone at night too?
Yeah, it happens. There is a huge difference between my reality and what people tell me.
무섭지 않아요. 그러니까 영화나 그런 것 때문에 좀 무서운 그런 게 좀 있는데 15년 전쯤에는 약간 무섭게 했어요. 그때는 출입국 관리가 안 되다 보니까 누가 누군지 모르는 그런 상황이 많았는데 지금은 이제 그런 게 관리가 다 되고 교포분들, 코리안 차이니즈
네.
그분들도 이제 여기다 정착을 하다 보니까는 이분들도 범죄를 두려워해요. 근데 이제 일어나는 범죄는 이제 약간 특이한 경우들이 많아서 실제 이제 그런 일에 관계가 안 된 분들은 별 상관은 없는, 그러니까 제가 볼 때는 오히려 더 안전해요. 다른 데보다.
So Mia and I are now walking to Ildong.
Yes.
We've done Idong, and Ildong is the more residential area. I'm curious what kind of 분위기 there is.
So far, I like the 분위기, and I can feel the joy of exploring Daerim with Mia. I still wonder what other Daerimers think about living here.
대림동 무섭다고 많이 들었는데 값이 조금 낮아졌어요. 아니요, 괜찮아요. 네.
아파트는 괜찮아요, 아파트.
아, 아파트 괜찮아요? 여기 어떤 사람 살고 있어요?
여기 다 똑같이 다 살아요.
다 살아요?
A bit quieter than south in Idong, Ildong makes a pleasant walk through red brick buildings where the smell of egg bread gave me directions.
안녕하세요. 여기 원래 있네요? 가게 여기.
아니요, 나는 저 주말에만 일로 와요.
아,
평일에는 일로 와요.
여기 대림동에서 사세요?
네,
어때요? 여기 살기 어때요?
좋지요.
좋지요? 뭐가 좋아요?
다 비슷하게 좋지요.
이거 뭐예요?
이거 바나나 빵이요.
아, 이거 한식 맞아요?
맞지요?
이거 한국 음식 아니고?
이거 다 한국에서.
아, 나 한국에서. 아, 그래요? What do you want?
계란반.
봐야 맛있어요.
맛있게 보여. 오, 와우. 4개. 바나나빵 4개요?
4개.
어,
요거 한 개.
I clearly didn't look at the menu.
운이 좋아요. 여기 조금 외로워 보여요.
아니 여기 좀 사람이 적게 다니 많이 안 다니.
근데 학생 오면 학생도 많이 와요.
평일에는 일 나와요.
How is it?
I think I prefer the 계란반.
Let me start with the banana. It reminds me of the egg cookies we have in the Netherlands. The
Oh,
soft
right.
egg keran cookie.
Okay.
Dry, but I just like the taste of some kind of bread in my mouth. 여기 예뻐요, 예뻐.
이거 한 명짜리 우리.
우리 구경하고 있어요.
오, 그래요?
대림 이야기 만들고 있어요. 여기 친구는 여기 살고 있어요.
오, 그래요?
네.
어디서 사시는데?
저 대림 그 이동 근처.
오, 오늘 저기 대림동 부분 지금 생사에 막.
여기 오래 살았어요? 여기?
네.
어때요? 괜찮아요?
괜찮죠.
네. 여기 많이 무섭다고 들었는데
무섭게 못 무서워요.
아
무서워요.
그래요.
오래 살았.
여기 대림동 좋은 점 뭐예요?
대림동이요?
네.
뭐 좋은 점 뭐 있어요? 그냥. 아이고. 별로 없어요.
Would you know about your neighborhood?
별로 없어요? 아 그래요?
아, 이게 다니시는 거야 이거.
좋은 점 찾아라.
이게 뭐 하는 거요?
이거 액션 카메라.
아, 카메라.
네, 작은 거.
아유, 나 찍히겠다.
아니야. 선생님 멋있어요. 알겠습니다. 여기 사람 많지 않아요.
많잖아. 거기 많아.
네. I love the stairs of these buildings. 안녕하세요. 아, 계단 예뻐요. 여기 사세요? 네. 이거 다 일정만? 뭐 하세요 지금? 여기 오래 사셔요? 15년? 어때요? 살기 어때요? 좋아요. 뭐가 좋아요?
물가도 싸고 교통도 편리하고
네.
또 여기 새마을금고 있어가지고 금융 거래하고 좋은 하루 되세요.
네, 감사합니다. 네. I love these architectures. Hi. How are you doing? 잘 지내요? 영어 조금 하세요? 네. 잘 이해해요? 영어로? 네. What is your name? What's your name? Do you live here?
Yes.
How is it?
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
An A+ for
Bye-bye.
trying. Keep it up, kids.
See you next time.
사람들이 약간 오해하고 있는 부분도 있어요.
네.
여기 사시는 분을 차이니즈라고 생각을 해요. 그러니까 화교 쪽은 사실 인천 쪽이 화교 쪽이고 이쪽은 쉽게 말해서 뭐 조선 쪽? 그러니까 표현이 뭐 좋을지 모르겠지만 미국에 살던 한국 분들이 들어오는 경우고 인천은 화교들, 그러니까 차이니즈들이 거기는 차이니즈 코리안이고
아하.
여기는 코리안 차이니즈.
The official Chinatown is in Incheon. So what's the story here? There used to be huge factories in the early 90s, offering job opportunities for Chinese citizens. They settled in Garibong and Guro, but after redevelopment, those people moved to the nearby neighborhood of Daerim-dong. Many come from Chinese provinces north of North Korea. Jilin, Heilongjiang, and Liaoning. My pronunciation probably sucks. I agree with Mia's opinion. The neighborhood has a communal feeling, but we have not seen the vibrant part of town yet, the market. It's time for the northern part of Daerim-dong.
So now we're in the northern part of Daerim-dong, Daerim-dong. So there's a southern part and a northern part, and there's one big street just cutting through half. And this is where you...
It's a big market.
We arrived at the fun part, the noisy, lively, colorful market. This somehow fulfills the expectations I had of Daerim.
맛있어요? 맛있어요? 여기 제일 맛있는 빵 뭐예요? 그거요? What's the name of this?
It's slightly different from other parts and markets of Korea, giving a genuinely joyful foreign travel experience.
안녕하세요. 아, 맛있어요. 네, 감사합니다. 비누 하나 주세요.
냄새 안 나요. 이거
It's a like
빨래할 때도 좋고.
아, 빨래할 때?
머리도 좋고.
아, 머리? 머리?
네, 그럼 좋아. 목욕하고 머리가.
Wow. That's a French delicacy, right?
But I think you can see that Idong is way more lively and
Yeah, Idong is the place to be.
it's way more in Chinese also. Like everything is written way more in Chinese than the Idong.
Yes, exactly. Here I do get the feeling that I'm not in Korea anymore. What's that smell? 아, 이거 뭐예요?
대쪽발.
아, 이거?
맞아요.
아, 이거 냄새 나요. 먹는 거? 맛이 어때요?
맛이 좋죠.
None of the people we've talked to share the negative stigma. Honestly, neither do I after walking every street.
그냥 가게 한 지는 1년 조금 더 됐어요.
아, 그래요? 어때요? 여기 살기 어때요?
여기 대림동이요?
네.
조금 좀 거칠어요.
아, 그래요?
다른 동네에 비해서 이 동네가 조금 거칠어요.
네.
예.
근데 계속 여기 있고 싶어요?
뭐 장사하는 거니까 그냥 있지만 사는 거는 전 딴 동네 살거든요.
네.
그냥 장사만 여기 사는 건데.
Okay, this is the first person, but besides her cafe, she doesn't live in the Daerim neighborhood.
So far we've seen Ildong, and Idong is definitely another world in the Daerim-dong.
Very different, right?
Yeah, and then north-south, completely different. So now we're going to cross to Samdong,
Yes.
and then we're going to check out Daerim-yok station, which is over there.
This way.
And around the station it's a vibrant residential area, right? Not with the big blocks of apartment buildings.
Finally, Daerim-samdong, near Daerim Station. A station with lots and lots of people coming in and out. One of those stations where you can sit and enjoy looking around.
자, 귤한방 3,000원. 자, 귤한방 3,000원. 자, 2시까지만. 자, 맨날
Oh, he's
Always.
very intense salesman. I think I had a good impression of the neighborhood. And to be honest, I really love it.
I had a blast in Daerim. My experience contrasts with all the negativity I read or heard about before my visit. Confirmed by Mia and other locals. Yes, it did feel like a trip abroad, but a joyful one. And other than the vibrant and noisier part, this neighborhood had lots of beautiful red brick houses, cute little stairs and porches, many green fruit trees, and open to talk people. To me, it's the unofficial China and Koreatown. Welcome to my
See you
dome.
next time. Houdoe.
Houdoe.